Hi, my name is Yushe. I'm a postdoc at MIT CSAIL. I work with Ted Edison and collaborate with Alberto Rodriguez. Conventional robots, they can carry very heavy load and move back and forth between different positions repetitively and accurately. They are widely used in automobile industry to build cars. However, they could be very dangerous for humans nearby. My research goal is to develop safe and performant robots that can share workspace with humans and work with humans side by side to help people do the challenging and repetitive tasks, such as washing dishes and doing the laundry, cleaning the house, and shopping the groceries. I have started 3 projects towards my research goal. First, I developed novel variable stiffness arms that can operate very fast and guarantee human safety simultaneously. Second, I studied accurate perception of soft robots which are inherently safe for human operators. This is the first implementation of soft robots with proprioception and geometrical tactile sensing simultaneously. Third, I developed a highly performant robotic gripper for cable manipulation. This is the first implementation of robot cable manipulation in free space in real time. For future work, I'm interested in applying the concept of variable stiffness to prosthetic arms because I would like to have the prosthetic arms with variable stiffness just like the real human arms. I'm also interested in studying soft robot precise control, which is an open question in the field due to lack of good perception feedback. Now, since I have demonstrated precise perception of soft robots, I would like to leverage this information and further investigate the precise control problem for soft robots. I'm also interested in studying robotic manipulation on more complex deformable objects such as fabrics and clothes, which can be used for robot-assisted dressing and clothes folding. Eventually, I expect my research will greatly improve the safety and performance for both domestic and industrial autonomous systems, which will lead to extensive applications in industry manufacturing, healthcare, elderly care, hospital nursing, and home nursing. I expect my research will save humans from boring, dirty, and unsafe jobs, and free humans up to do more creative and rewarding jobs.